The house we're about to explore immediately reveals a striking contrast. Once dark, introverted, and disconnected from the outdoors, it has been transformed into a light-filled space that celebrates air, light, and the surrounding nature. At Pitahaya House, 2 guest bedrooms at the back remain protected and private, each with its own garden and bathroom, separated from the social area for added comfort. Located in Mérida, Yucatán, Pitahaya House emerged as part of a process to recover traditional local homes. The city reflects a wide range of properties with different aesthetic and spatial features. One of them is Pitahaya House, previously an inward-looking structure due to multiple modifications over time, dark and spatially unwelcoming. The architectural proposal centers around the need to create a naturally lit and ventilated home, while recovering most of the existing structure, never losing its connection to the past. The arched garden connects to the kitchen and dining area, which in turn opens to the social space where the pool is located, a place dedicated to leisure and relaxation. Circulation between spaces can happen through the gardens and mature trees on the lot, or through the interior, offering distinct transitions and different ways to experience the home. The existing vegetation became the link between volumes. Preserving it supports the harmony between architecture and nature, keeping the house constantly connected to the outdoors. A linear path over the original layout passes through a bedroom, a workspace, and, near the main entrance, the living room. Much of the original woodwork was restored and repurposed, gaining a new life. The use of local and neutral materials visually expands the spaces and makes them versatile. A soft, discreet color palette, combined with the integration of gardens, turns every room into an invitation to rest. Pitahaya House unfolds as a home meant to be experienced from the inside out. It's the simple pleasure of the natural gestures offered by what was already there, a touch of lightness and poetry.